1 to 5.
1
This
to
is for
6.
yeah, because there is some delay from my side, so I put it there. Next week I will all the results will pronounce. Six.
My lord, item 1 permitted to withdraw, my lord.
1, 2. Two. Which one?
2. 2.
Ready is ready. Ready to sign judgment.
No, but I am for the opposite party. As your lordship pleases, he has filed your lordship he has filed an IA on 24/8, 23 for withdrawal, and today is also mentioned.
How do we see on that day?
Your lordship will not.
Tuesday judgment will pronounce on Tuesday. Upon mention kariye.
Lordship will not take up that item 3, my lord, to be mentioned. Order to be mentioned. Item 3, your lordship will take up or
Tuesday I am passing order.
Sir, only one line if your lordship.
If any note for anything is left out, then please give it.
I will give it.
May I submit one line? Well, it's the appointment of Jogan Soya. Now,
Which one? Which one?
Item 2. Now,
I said that order pass kari. Argue karandu na. Already I have reserved. Then to say I have no meaning. Reserve wala par I kon man. Order pass kariya joda hai jo strategy ko.
Item 8.
Only item 4 and 5. Only let's say I have filed it.
Whatever you have filed, I will take it. Okay.
No, already filed. That is a record. No, that is in a record. Only that regional
Item note for ke devar se de diyan.
Tomorrow permitted.
I can give tomorrow. Any note anybody wants to give, you can give.
Item 8, may I lord.
Because once note दे दी वो कौन सी लोग वो note wait करता है वो दिन बीती जाए मोर माइंड में चल जाए तो उसे note for जो दे ही ना थी दे दो तो please
Tomorrow.
next item 8
Release of the vehicle, my lord. It is the vehicle was seized by the police, my lord, in PR case number 81 of 2023, my lord.
कौन है जी कौन तू
NDPS Act गाटा seized 22 रू seized कर दो
22 रू
22
आप जानते हो कोटे काम करो काली जानते ऑर्डर दे दिया ऑर्डर कर vehicle का ये लैंड ऑर्डर बन गया और सब्जेक्ट टू को गाड़ी
बोलेरो गाड़ी पुराना बोलेरो गाड़ी
तो को केते वर्ष हेलानी ते वर्ष गाड़ी केते वर्ष हेलानी
5-6 वर्ष
2 लाख
मतलब
2 लाख
2 लाख से तो
आओ अधिक बार्गेन करो रिजेक्ट स्टेट रिजेक्ट कर दी आओ बेसिक बार्गेन करो 2 लाख
ये गाड़ी रखी कि ना चलो तो से गाड़ी भी
बंद लाख कि आपण एनडीपीएस रे फसला पे की कहतला मु
ये ही इज नॉट द एक्यूज
करो रिजेक्ट अधिक बार्गेन कलो
नहीं नहीं ही इज नॉट
रिजेक्टेड आपण सुविधा बोधे माने टिके लीव दे देला आपण आउट स्टेप पड़ी जाउछन आपको ठीक कथा रिजेक्ट करता आपण तार लाइन रे मिनिमम 2 लाख टका देबे गाड़ी रे तो आपण पुलिस छाड़ दो आपण तापर से पैसा कोन दे दिले आपण जेतला केस सरी आपण गेट बैक
गाड़ीटा बंद
गाड़ी बंद हला आपण गाड़ी तो छाड़िया पे कहूची ना
ब्लेस
people don't understand things गाड़ी आपण बड हेछि बोली कि मु ताके नै कि आपण रिपेयर करबी चलेबे बोली छाड़ दोची बट एंदी त छाड़ देबो नै वी हैव टू गिव सम सिक्योरिटी किन छाड़ देबो लोक को बेल देले सिक्योरिटी हो जे गाड़ी गला ले सिक्योरिटी दे हेबो
some amount will be
amount can't be reduced
oh bless
minimum 2 lakhs तो 5 लाख तो कोई नहीं 2 लाख
oh bless
Item 9 पे kindly take up next week, my lord.
हां
Next week, my lord. I'm losing my some item 9 टा
कौन पाई
they have to fall ready.
हां
They have to fall ready.
कौन केस टा कौन दम कौन दे
Release of
देखा कौन
lose my some
it looks very smart don't worry take it
release of
कौन केस टा
release of vehicle, my lord.
let notice go এটা कौन को vehicle
In this case, I got
Yeah.
instruction. Confiscation proceeding already started
Okay.
in forest offense.
हां
So
बड़े forest product पे
yes, there is a
Forest
bar.
product.
so you go there
There's a
you
bar, yes.
pursue the remedy there
Yes.
land council with the state on instruction submits that since the confiscation proceedings is going on before
Before the assistant conservation of forest
assistant conservator of forest
enforcement Keonjhar.
Huh?
Assistant Conservator of Forest Enforcement, Keonjhar Wildlife Division,
Wildlife Division, Keonjhar,
Andapur.
Anandpur. And the petitioner is granted liberty to pursue the matter before the state court according to disposal. Next.
Time
Item
limit.
10.
Our time frame.
No, time limit, ma'am, fixed, my lord,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, the said proceedings shall be the
Charis masala ne.
the said proceedings shall be completed preferably within a period of 2 months from today.
My lords.
Item 10.
10. Yes, next.
Item 10.
My lord,
Item
my lord,
Item 10.
10.
my lord,
Yes.
my lord. I am on behalf of Rajesh Mahapatra, my lord, just 5 minutes maybe given. I in the lower court practitioner, madam, my lord. He is due to some professional engagement, he could not appear before the.
ଆପଣ କିଏ ଆପଣ କିଏ
Sir, ମୁଁ ରଘୁନାଥ ରଥ sir.
କିଏ ଆପଣ
ଆମ lower court ର sir conducting advocate.
ଲୋଅର କୋର୍ଟ ମନା ନାହିଁ ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଓକାଲତନାମା ଏଠି ଅଛି କି
ନା sir, ସେ sir ମତେ just ଆଜି phone କଲେ ତ sir ଟିକେ I may be
ସେମିତି କେମିତି allow କରାଯିବ ଆପଣ କିଏ ବି ଆସିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଓକାଲତନାମା ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ କହିଦେବେ
Dress nahi kisi.
on behalf of such time may be granted.
on time will be granted, no problem. This is the matter on 6th November. On the request of the proxy council, let the matter be posted on. You are a proxy council basically. So
Thank you, sir.
The council without dress.
on that too without dress. In the council ଆପଣ dress ଲଗାନ୍ତିନି କି
Partial.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ lawyer
ହଁ sir.
ଲୟର ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇଏ ଲାଗୁନି ଖରାପ ଲାଗୁନି ବିନା ବ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ବିନା କୋର୍ଟରେ ଆସିକି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ଏଫଆଇଆର କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ସଡନଲି ଉଠିଗଲା my lord, ସଡନଲି ଉଠିଗଲା ମୁଁ କୋର୍ଟରୁ just
ସଡନଲି ଉଠିଗଲା ଆପଣ ରେଡି ଆଉ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଲୟର ନା କଣ ଆପଣ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ ଏ ଲୟର, ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ସିମ୍ପ ବି ଲୟର।
sorry my lord, sorry my lord.
ଲୟର ସବୁବେଳେ ଡ୍ରେସ ଆଗ
Yes sir.
ଡ୍ରେସ ରେ ଯଦି କେସ୍ ମିଳେ ବିନା ଡ୍ରେସ ରେ ନୋ କେସ୍, ନୋ ଡ୍ରେସ ନୋ କେସ୍। ହଁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
Sorry my
କଣ
lord.
କରନ୍ତୁ
Sorry my lord.
Item 11.
ଆଉ ଦିନ ଯଦି କହିଦେଇ ଆଇବେ 10,000 ଟଙ୍କା କଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେବି ଆଉ ବାର କାଉନ୍ସିଲ ରେଫର କରିଦେବି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଁ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ୟୁର ଏଟାୟାର।
sorry my lord, sir.
ନେକ୍ସଟ କଣ
ମିସିଂ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ
ଆରେ ସାର୍ କଣ କେସ୍ ଟା ତ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ଧରଉଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଜିନିଷଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ମିସିଂ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ମିସିଂ
ମିସିଂ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଏଟା
Item 11.
11 ମିସିଂ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ କଣ ଏଟା
ଅର୍ଡର
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମିସିଂ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ କହିଲେ କଣ ହେଇଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ନା ମିସିଂ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ କହିଦେଲେ ଚୁପଚାପ ରହିଗଲେ କଣ ହେଇଛି ଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ଶିଶୁରେ ସେ ପିଲାଟି
Downing.
ହଜି ଯାଇଛି ପାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ତାକୁ
ହଁ
ମୋର ଏଟା ହେଇଥିଲା ରିଟ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା ତାପରେ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି 7
ଅର୍ଡର କଣ ହେଇଛି
we are consented to observe police leader.
ନାଇଁ
ଏଠି କାଇଁ ଲାଗି
Observe that we can't invoke the public law remedy.
compensation se claim କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ case ର is claiming compensation.
ଯେ ଏଟା ୟାଙ୍କ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଲାଗିଥିଲା ଏଠି କଣ ପାଇଁ
ସେଠି ସେ କହୁଥିଲେ ଯେ ମିସିଂ ଥିଲା ସେ to trace out the missing boy they filed it there. Now they are claiming compensation. Drowning.
you have traced out
My lord,
the boy was traced out whether the boy was traced out or not.
not
So what kind of compensation you are asking?
ଗୋଟେ ବୋଲି ପୁଅ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଶୁଣାଇବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହି ପଚାରିଲି ମୁଁ କହିଲି କମ୍ପେନସେସନ କଣ ପାଇଁ ନେବାକୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କୋଉ ବେସିସ ରେ ସେଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ବୋଲି ପୁଅ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଶୁଣିବା ପାଇଁ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଏଠି I am here to hear the legal argument not your ଗୋଟେ ବୋଲି ପୁଅ argument. Don't argue like this. एकदम ଆପଣ legal argument law come to the law don't go to the ଗୋଟେ ବୋଲି ପୁଅ story ହେଲା law କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ what is the law on what basis you are claiming compensation. compensation कौन को बेसिस रे मागुछंती
गवर्नमेंट विल कंसीडर
कंसीडर नुई आपण ए जो ड्राउनिंग टा प्रूफ हैला की मिसिंग बोली कहले ड्राउनिंग हेची की मिसिंग रे तो कंपनसेशन स्कीम नाही ड्राउनिंग रे अछि डेफिनेटली तो ड्राउनिंग हैला बोली कोन प्रूफ तो कर कोन देखा
Drowning कौन
को बेसिस रे आपण कहू ड्राउनिंग हेची
पॉलिसी की दिया है गवर्नमेंट को दिया है समस्त को दिया है रिप्रेजेंटेशन टू डिस्पोज ऑफ
की आर्गुमेंट है एटा दया आर्गुमेंट नहीं छाती ठोक के बोलो कोर्ट बाउंड टू गिव आपण आमे आपण दया करनु आपण को राइट बट आपण राइट को प्लेस करिवे ठीक करिवे हो ना आउ कोंतु ड्राउनिंग हला वाली केमति कोन प्रूफ अछि
नेक्स्ट
नेक्स्ट वीक काई आज कहतु आज कल आज ऑर्डर देबी आपण एबे कहतु ड्राउनिंग रो किछि प्रूफ अछि मिसिंग अछि मिसिंग जणा पड़लानी सो फार ड्राउनिंग बोले आपण केमति जानि दिबे
ताकू तो एपन तो पाई पारु ना
पाइबर की चाइल्ड रेकर्ड धरि की पळै थिबे कि लोक चाइल्ड रेकर्ड आजकल चाइल्ड আছে किडनी फिडनी ट्रांसफर कर चोरी कर कि ड्राउनिंग बोली आपण केन जानले
पुलिस तो
किंबा की कार चाइल्डलेस पर्सन
पुलिस ताकर रिपोर्ट दोना
पारादीप सी बीच रे जदी मरिथो दे डीप सी इम्पॉसिबल टू ट्रेस आउट द डेड बॉडी
ना सेटा
जदी हेइथियो इन केस
सेटा ट्रू ताले ये करा तमे ड्राउनिंग बोली केस
सेटा तो से केन
गवर्नमेंट
मिसिंग रिपोर्ट हेइथियो
ड्राउनिंग बोली केन दिखो
डाउन केन अनलेस नॉट डेड बॉडी विल नॉट बी ट्रेस आउट
ड्राउनिंग रे बहुत सारा
से को जने पो जाइथिला को सांग मा
आगे
सांग
समुद्र रे ड्राउनिंग हले डेड बॉडी कोडी मिलिबो पळेबो कोडे डेड
नहीं, one thing.
केते लोक एंदी डेड बॉडी मारी जायछि
his son had gone to the sea beach and he did not return. Whether- yes,
he that may be apparently तो
yes.
ताकू मिसिंग अगर आपण ड्राउनिंग को रिपोर्ट
ना से
दे
down
पाइबा से
देई परिबे, देई परिबे.
कोन करिया कोन आपण ड्राउनिंग पे अछि
तो दे
आपण अब लॉ कोजी ड्राउनिंग हैला दिया इबो कंपेंसेशन मिसिंग रे नाही कोन करिया देखंतु ड्राउनिंग पे कोन चेष्टा करंतु you try that if you get any drowning report then we'll consider okay let me consider this petitioners takes 2 weeks time to get the report a drowning report of drowning of the missing child list the matter on 8th November 8 November चेष्टा करंतु जदि ड्राउनिंग प्रूफ करे कंपेंसेशन वाले मिलिबनी आ गोटे बोली पुओ दुईटा बोली पुओ कहले हबनी से स्टोरी के काम दे कोर्ट रे फैक्ट्स लॉ a story काम दे
Yes,
sympathetic story has no meaning next
Item 12.
12
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Khan.
Hmm.
Please kindly take in this matter
Fine.
next week.
it first time ऐसी
Hmm.
हां तो नोटिस इशू करियो का आप काइंडली कंप्लेंट
Is honorable, my lord.
I have no kind only simply I will do that no kind fine सीधा straight away you this देखो the petitioner is registered general insurance company having a head office at Pune registered general को पैसे दी तो मैनेजर आइला registered general को मैं लिखी छो are you gone mad or what कौन लिखा है
General instance.
registered general insurance company having head office at Pune ये सब काहे लिखी छे आपण सीधा स्ट्रेट अवे कौन लिखी इशू दिबे कौन लिखु जन आपण सीनियर जाकर आपण सीनियर हां
Associate.
एसोसिएट एंदी ड्राफ्टिंग करते आपण सीधा तो स्टेट अवे पॉइंट को आसीबे आपण एते गप काहे लिखुछन रजिस्टर्ड जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी हैविंग हेड ऑफिस एट पुणे स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र पुणे महाराष्ट्र चले लिखे दरकार लिखिबार सब जान छन and carrying on general insurance business throughout India through its branch situated in different location and the cause of action बड़ा बढ़िया उपन्यास तो बढ़िया लिखुछन बढ़िया उपन्यास लिखुछन तो एंदे उपन्यास कोड लिखुना लॉ प्रैक्टिस काहे करछन बढ़िया जेंति उपन्यास लिखान वे the man was there was with dark hair with a very glowing eyes and he suddenly came inside the room and explain the same thing अपन story ta state of Maharashtra and carrying okay anyway कौन है जी कौन तो state come to the point कौन है जी कौन तू
Challenge the permanent local अदालत आवड.
that I know but what have you challenged गोटे लोक हेल्थ पॉलिसी करतला हेल्थ पॉलिसी आपण देलेनी ताकू तार सेटल कलेनी he went to लोक अदालत that passed right लगा the petitioner is the insurance company and the opposite party number 2 had filed an application under section 2 to see 1 to see bracketed 1 of the Legal Service Authority Act 1987 before the Permanent Lok Adalat PUS Keonjhar, claiming 1 lakh rupees towards settlement of 2 health policies under policy number so and so, paragraph 2 and policy number so and so, and interest 2% per annum for the date of accident, as well as 10,000 towards cost of litigation, alleging inter alia that he is a regular health insurance policy holder of the petitioner insurance company. On 29/3/2018, health insurance policy bearing number OG 18284 number was issued by the petitioner insurance company in his favor by receiving a sum of rupees 1,635 towards premium of health insurance coverage sum of rupees 50,000, and issued health and wellness card during the currency of the above noted policy. He met with an road accident while he was traveling by a motorcycle bearing registration number OR so and so. After the accident, he was initially treated at DHH Keonjhar, and thereafter he was treated to SCB Medical College Cuttack as well as the OM Shubham Hospital Cuttack. His wife intimated the matter to the petitioner insurance company, our helpline so and so in branch office. After his return from the hospital, his relative submitted the medical bill along with medical certificate in the office of the respondent at Baleswar branch office. Hello. Till claim has until date the claim has not been settled. What is the problem with that? Settle why have you not settled? Anyway, and then being agreed by the non-cooperation of the insurance company, the petitioner approached the PLA, and the PLA has passed the order. What is the order? The PLA has passed. Sorry, I would send them. The petitioner company did not settle the insurance policy because the insurance was the claim was done belatedly. And the intimation, there was no written intimation by the opposite party number 2 to the petitioner company. However, the insurance hence the insurance company is not liable to pay any amount under the policy which is not considered by the learned PLA. And the learned PLA passed an order under section 22C of the Legal Service Authority Act 1987 states with the award. The award is the PLA. And after hearing both the parties, the PLA has directed the respondent the petitioner company to pay rupees 1 lakh rupees to the respondent number 2 towards insurance claim within a period of 2 months. Hence, the claim amount shall carry interest of 8% from 18/1/2019 till the date of actual payment. The respondent is further directed to pay rupees 5,000 only to the petitioner, OP number 2, towards cost of litigation. The learned PLA further directs the respondent to pay rupees 50,000 to the petitioner, OP number 2, towards compensation. Hence, the petitioner is agreed by the order passed by the PLA. Okay. Issue notice to OP number
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Okay. 1 and 2. In the meantime, there shall be stay of the operation of the award. मैं stay पे there. Which stay there? Yeah. Stay there. कितने दिन भीतर देवा था आपने कितने दिन देवा था? You have to pay within what time? 2 months. कब देवा था? पढ़ के नहीं आते.
2 months.
2 months.
हाँ?
2 months.
Date कब है? PLA order date कब है? PLA order date 12/4/2023 पड़े चले ना अकाउंट स्टे देवी स्टे देवार कितने लगा स्टे पे दिया कार्ड में only notice जाओ by registered post with any registered post and the requisite shall be filed within 3 working days from today. List the matter on 1st November. Next,
Item
Okay.
13.
13.
Please, madam.
My lord, here.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner is also one of the applicant for the post of my lord, that is Gram Rozgar Sevak. She belongs to the SCBC category, and SCBC certificate has already been given. They have not considered my case, though I belong to the SCBC category. Certificate I have furnished, they ignore the same. Though till now, out of my lord, the 22 posts, they have only filled up 19 posts. 2 to 3 posts are still vacant. So let my case be considered. If I am eligible, I can also get that post.
What is that?
Yes, she submitted the application under SCBC category without enclosing the caste certificate. And subsequent thereafter, came along with the certificate and she submitted.
Subsequent.
And therefore, she was considered on reserved category.
Given on an undertaking.
No certificate was there.
Now, given an undertaking that I to furnish the once I will also receive the certificate, I can also furnish. That was the
Undertaking is
they have
allowed?
accept.
Undertaking is allowed?
Yes, allowed.
The on reserved women को सिर्फ नहीं आ रहा है because certificate was not
But
there.
2 posts are still vacant.
Sir, still vacant je apan apply karibe mu
Apan apply kole sir.
First example,
Sir.
mu apply karibe mu kaibi SC.
No, that is not.
Certificate.
Sir, that
Then
is
how
not. No. That is not my case. I am also given an undertaking that I will also produce the certificate during the time of selection
Did you-
because I applied the certificate, but there is a time. Tahsildar immediately not issuing the certificate, sir.
certificate ta semti hoini. Ko
Sir.
apna residential certificate apply karchandi painandi seguda consider kare. Caste ta the basic jinsa.
Basic jinsa.
Apan bina ye certificate caste bole apan proof kendi karibe je
Caste certificate already sir ଦେଇଛି.
Ko
Already ତାକୁ ଦେଇଛି, authority ଦେଇଛି.
kebe
ଦେଇଛୁ sir.
kebe
Before selection.
before selection ne apan apply kala bale kain deleni.
apply kala sir ମିଳିନଥିଲା ତେଣୁ କରି
tila kendi apan caste bole apan caste certificate kendi milibani.
sometimes there
Caste
is a,
certificate fake lagi to mute.
no, sometimes there is a delay. So for that reason, there is an undertaking. They have accepted the undertaking.
Sometimes
Now I can understand if I will not belong to this SCBC category, then my case they can ignore. If I belong to the SCBC category,
next tangara jo vacancy achi next wala pakele.
no. But consider my case, sir. To, earlier also this honorable court was directed to dispose of my reputation.
Hey, ଏଥର କଣ ମାନେ ଅଛି?
କିଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ
ଏ
sir.
representation
Sir,
କିଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ।
Sir.
ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କରୋନା।
ହଁ
second wave of corona।
sir.
फालतू ଜିନିଷ କରନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆଉ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ representation
ନା ଠିକ ଭଲ ତାହେଲେ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ବଢିଯିବ।
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି କନସେପ୍ଟ
ଟିକେ ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ହେଲା
ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି।
ହଁ ଦିଟା ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଭ୍ୟାକେଣ୍ଟ
ଏଲିଜିବଲ ଅଛି।
First time ଆସିଛି। waiting list 10 ରେ ସେ ଅଛନ୍ତି।
ହଁ ୱେଟିଂ ଲିଷ୍ଟ 10 ରେ ଅଛି ଦିଟା ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଭ୍ୟାକେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି।
10 ହେଲେ ଆପଣ ବାକି 8ଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି।
ନା ହେଲା ମୋଟା ସିଲେକ୍ସନ କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ I don't compel me that I to give an appointment. Let them select me if I out of selection if I will not. କଣଟା?
Let them select you and they
No.
you are asking for
sir,
don't want to you are not compelling them to
because
appoint you.
sir I belong to the SCBC category.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
If any other SCBC category available and he sees also getting more mark than me, I may not be get that post. Let them consider. Oblige sir.
नहीं representation नहीं
Let me
reply आनी वैसी representation ना धंधा नहीं है
आज्ञा।
reply आना
No.
Lord Council of the state to get the reply
Yes.
regarding the status of the recruitment process.
Sir.
ଅଲଗା ମାନଙ୍କ report ହେଇ ଯାଇଛି already. They
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
have joined. They have joined.
2 posts are still vacant.
ହନ୍ତୁ ନା
Sir.
they have
Already.
they have joined.
ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
Okay. The status of the ଆନନ୍ଦ ଦେଖିବା।
Oblige sir.
Item 14.
14
କେବେ ଆସିବେ?
ସେ ଆସୁ ଛୁଟି ପରେ 15 ନଭେମ୍ବର ଆସୁ। Yes. Next.
May I please, madam? The present petitioner was appointed as Anganwadi worker in the year 2002, my lord, annexure 1,
2002
2002, my lord.
ଆପଣ 2002 ର କେସ୍ ଏବେ ଆସିଛି? ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା? 2002 ରୁ ତ ହେଲା appointment ତାପରେ କଣ ହେଲା?
Thereafter,
Ah.
she was disengaged.
When was she disengaged?
2019,
2019.
my lord.
Why?
On the ground of some reason.
What is the reason? That I want to know. What is the reason?
Reason means misappropriation of funds under preschool uniform, preschool kids, etc. Thereafter, present petitioner filed Anganwadi appeal, Anganwadi appeal before the ADM Kendrapada, my lord. The ADM Kendrapada set aside the DC engagement of order, my lord, on dated 27/9/2021, my lord. Directed to the sub-collector of Kendrapada to adjudicate fresh within a period of 2 months. Thereafter, the sub-collector Kendrapada issue notice and notice. Now, the Anganwadi appeal 2/2019 has not been final, my lord.
That is pending.
That is
So
pending.
basically your grievance is that
My
there should be a
target
speedier
though.
disposal of that
My lord.
before the appeal is pending still.
Appeal,
My-
appeal dispose of, remanded back to sub-collector.
Sub-collector.
Sub-collector will decide.
Anganwadi appeal mistake.
Lord Constable, the petitioner submit that the Anganwadi miss appeal number 2 of 2019 will be disposed of within a stipulated period. Appeal number 2,
Two.
miss appeal number 2, miss case
Anganwadi appeal miss appeal number 2/19
2 of 2019 will be
pending.
disposed of within a stipulated time, which is pending before the
Sub-collector Kendrapada.
ଆପଣ ତ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
Anganwadi appeal was disposed of, directing the
କଣ
sub-collector.
ଠିକଠାକ
to
ଲେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଠିକ କରି
Anganwadi appeal.
ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ଅପିଲ ଆପଣ ଲେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଠିକ କରି
What's the count
The
page 30?
petitioner has prepared the present writ petition seeking a direction from this court to the opposite party number 2 for early disposal of Anganwadi miss appeal number 2 of 2019
Man,
within a stipulated time, as well as notice number 9658 of dated 11/11/2021, 2894 dated 4/5/2022, first paragraph number 8281 dated 7/9/2023 for reinstatement of the service of the petitioner as Anganwadi worker. क्या लिखते हैं यार
okay. Page
ଆପଣ
30.
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Page
ଭୁଲଭାଲ
13.
ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ତ କମ ସେ ଢଙ୍ଗରେ. What kind of drafting it is? Such shoddy drafting. Why are you coming with such kind of drafting? ଯାହା ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କ୍ଲାରିଟି ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ. ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ଅପିଲ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ଆଉ କଣ ବୁଲେଇ ବାଲେଇ ବଙ୍କେଇକି ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ଜଣା ପଡୁନି.
Here,
ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
here the sub-collector disengage the petitioner under annexure 2.
I know sub collector disengage,
Then the petitioner prefer appeal before
appeal,
the ADM.
then it was written back,
Yes.
remitted back to sub collector. So what is that sub collector ପାଖରେ କଣଟା ଅଛି ତା ନମ୍ବରଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
এটা ଅଛି letter number 678 dated 24/10/2019 ଯୋଉ ହେଇଥିଲା disengagement ସେଇଟା set aside ହେଲା to reconsider once again regarding disengagement of the
The Land Council petitioner submit that the petitioner was selected as Anganwadi worker in 2002. এটা তো এই প্যারাগ্রাফটারে সব আসিবা কথা. First paragraph, this is preambulary paragraph. In the preambulary paragraph, everything should be in 2, 3, 4 lines. खत्म. ଏତେ କଥା ଗପ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଗପ କଲା ବେଳେ ମାନେ ସେ ରାମାୟଣ ପଢିଲା ବେଳେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ ଚିତା କିଏ ଜଣା ପଡୁନି. ଏମିତି ଡ୍ରାଫଟିଂ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. Please draft it properly. To the point. ଯୋଉଟା ଯେତିକି ଦରକାର ଆଉ ଅନେସେସରି ଗପ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ମିଳେ ସେ ଗପରେ କିଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ବୁଝା ପଡୁନି. What is this ଗପ? I hate this novel writing. Don't do this. Focus on your case. 2 page ରେ ହେଇଯିବ କାମ. ଏତେ ଲେଖିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ.
page 13 ରେ ordering portion ଟା.
ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ରେଗୁଲାର ବେଟର ଜଣା.
Page 13.
ଏମାନଙ୍କର ଲେଖା ଅପେକ୍ଷା
Page 13. In the result, the order dated.
ଆଉ ରେଗୁଲାର କେସ୍ ଗୁଡା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏମିତି କେମିତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଭଲ କି ଲେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ. Every day you are doing the same thing.
Page 13. 1-3.
The petitioner was engaged as Anganwadi worker in 2002 and continued till 2019. 19. However, often an allegation of corruption,
Forgery signature.
and misappropriation. Okay, misappropriation. She has been disengaged. On which date?
On 24/10/2019
24/10/2019
by the sub-collector Kendra.
by the sub-collector Kendrapada. Agreed by the said disengagement, she preferred appeal
Before the ADM
before
Kendrapada.
the ADM Kendrapada with a Anganwadi appeal number
2 of
2 of
2019.
2019. Hala. Considering all the material on record and the written submission filed by the parties, the sub-collector sorry, the ADM Kendrapada
Set aside the
ADM Kendrapada has observed that due opportunity of hearing was not granted to the petitioner. Hence, his case, her case may be reheard again by the sub-collector before passing any order. As a result of which, order number 678 of 2020, dated 24/10/2019, passed by the sub-collector Kendrapada to disengage the appellant from the the petitioner from the post of Anganwadi worker of Dahalpur Anganwadi Center under ICDS Garadapur was set aside.
yes.
And the appeal was remitted back to the court of sub-collector Kendrapada for fresh adjudication of the case. In such view of the matter is, however, the matter is still pending before the sub-collector Kendrapada since Kevaduji.
2000
27/9/2021 order
हाँ?
27/9/2021 जो order ହେଇଛି appeal ଟା
21 ରୁ 23 ଯାଏ ସେ sub-collector time ପାଇଲାନି 15 minute ଶୁଣିବା ପାଇଁ.
ସେଇଟା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Now how the center is going on, who is taking care of the center?
last time I see.
It is land council petitioner for the summit that the sub-collector Kendrapada has taken but about 2 years to adjudicate the matter, yet the matter has not yet been adjudicated. In view of the above, the sub-collector Kendrapada is directed to complete the proceedings and pass appropriate order within a period of 1 month from today. Regarding this project. Next.
Item 15.
15.
Wait, please, your lordship.
What is the matter about?
This is the abolition of the child and services.
Oh, that is there. So madam was there. She was
Yes,
talking on that day.
Yes.
So yesterday I had passed. on.
Only one thing I have, in fact, given a
What the extra thing you have to tell.
Yes,
She had
extra. Yes.
Detail.
We must. She has.
argument in-
I have heard about Ballad. What she argued the other day, Ballad. Child line is a statutory body, Ballad.
Statutory body केमती ହେଲା?
It is in the statute itself. I'll
Which
just
statute?
yes.
Which statute?
Juvenile Justice,
आगो देखान.
Juvenile Justice Care and Protection
कौन
Act.
statutory
My
body
lordship sees section 2.
body केमती ହେଲା?
Again, the section 2, so subsection.
कौन लगा है?
Yes.
पढ़ो.
Malad, first in the definition, Malad, section 2, subsection 25.
Please read that.
Child, no, this is in the 2015 Act.
Please read that.
Yes. Child and services means a 24 hours emergency outreach service for children in crisis, which links them to emergency on long-term care and rehabilitation service. Then the duty of the child and Malad, lordship may kindly see section 31. Your lordship knows, my lord, there is the forum for the children in need of care and protection is the child welfare committee, my lord.
Yes.
But then the child has to be produced before the child welfare committee, my lord. And lordship sees section 31.
Yes.
My lord, production before the committee, a child, any child in need of care and protection may be produced before the committee by any of the following persons. Lordship kindly see Roman 3. Child and services or any voluntary or non-governmental organization or any agency as may be recognized by the state government. And again,
How it is statutory?
under the statute, the statute.
The statute is fine, but that is a service.
No,
It's not a
let
statutory
me
body.
explain. Let me explain. Let's just give me one minute. But initially it was Juvenile Justice Act 1986.
Fine.
it was found to be, my lord, lacking in various spheres, my lord, for which it was repealed. And Juvenile Justice Act 2000 came into force from 1st April 2001, my lord. There also child line was there under section 2. And what are the duties of child line, my lord, was there. It was a linkage, my lord, between the children in crisis.
That's fine. That is no need to explain that.
Yes. Then, my
That I
lord,
know.
the 2000 Act was.
But the question is,
Yes.
after the central government, the new policy.
Yes.
So,
yes.
I'm up to that.
Correct.
The policy, I understood everything on that day.
Well, I'm given the entire background as I was given.
So the thing is, then I also realized that there should be some policy space for the child life because this is one of the important organization and they have been doing, they have the skill,
yes,
they have the expertise,
yes,
so they can do the better.
Correct, Milad.
But at the same time, the question of or,
yes,
or is creating problem for you.
Correct, Milad.
So government, if there is a or,
yes,
and there will be no or, child line is a must.
Yes.
Because there is a or, any other agency, any other NGO, any other thing, so they are therefore taking advantage.
I'm grateful, Milad. Absolutely.
The policy space is entrenching this part of.
Yes, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Milad, what the government, Milad, notification intends to do, Milad, to obliterate child line.
That's what I'm saying now.
Yes,
This
can they?
Because instead of this, they are going to have another.
Can they do it without the act being amended?
No, they can do.
Milad,
because or is there.
No, that's correct, Milad.
Because the or is
Milad,
there.
so Milad, child line is there.
There will be no or. Child line is not. Don't see the it is a service. It's not a statutory.
Milad, there is a number, specific number, Milad, assigned 1098.
Specific now. Aji jodi 101 achi. It may be 505. So there is a child line and the kitchen line. Question is, this is a service provider.
Yes, yes.
You have the expertise. All these things are there. That should not go waste.
Yes.
Because you have the expertise.
Yeah, I agree.
Because you have the your experience in this field.
Agree.
So the policy space should be given to you.
Correct.
That is what the major thing.
It's correct. Correct.
But
That's all.
unfortunately, government has just revamped the policy. In the revamped policy,
I'm going
they
to
have not recognized your service.
Exactly.
That
Right.
is the issue.
Absolutely right.
Yes.
Absolutely right.
That is what I have in that order also. I've specified.
Well, that is
They
it.
should be given some policy space.
Yes.
Accommodate this thing.
Agreed. Agreed, Milad.
The similar order I'm passing.
Well, that's all. That's all. Exactly, Milad. Grateful, Milad.
Let's see what they are doing. Otherwise, we'll pass some judicial order. Let's first request them if they are not doing anything.
Correct.
So have some patience.
In fact, Milad, 2000 Act asila pare.
No, I am quite aware of this.
Yes.
Only thing is, see, there may be some NGO, something they might have lobbied hard to get this benefit. Yes, they are doing this. That is understandable.
Yes.
It's understandable. Because otherwise, the known service provider who has for this such a long time, it has been providing service and very, it has very good track record, everything is there, but at the same time, they have competitors.
Milad, in fact, in that letter, Milad, which is impugned, in that letter also they have mentioned about our expertise and the good work being done by them.
No doubt.
Yes.
There's no doubt. So let them, I've just written that. They should accommodate in the policy space.
Agreed, Milad. Yes. Obliged.
Next. Any. Hello.
Item 16, my lord.
Yes, 16.
Item 16, my lord.
Yes.
I am in VC, lordship.
I can see you.
My lord, this is a case where the petitioners, my lord.
Yes, I can see you are in VC. Please go ahead.
My lord.
Please go ahead.
This is a case, my lord. My lord, this is a case, my lord, where the villagers, the petitioners are some villagers of different villages under a particular block, where the public hearing of a company is scheduled to be held on 16th, on Monday of this October, my lord. Next Monday, my lord. They are not challenging the EC process. They are not challenging the public hearing also, my lord. Proceeding, my lord.
Why are you here then?
Before that, the conduct.
Why are we here? If you are not challenging the EC, if you are not challenging the public hearing, then what is, come to the point straight. Ete au we ho kai rakhuchu.
My lord, point is, my lord, before that your lordship may see the conduct of the company as well as the local police series
अरे
of
भाई
affairs.
सीधा कहो ना conduct कौन straight point को आसुना कौन बुले कौन पे कहूँ straight come to the point. What is the point?
Point
Don't
is,
go
my
here
lord,
and there.
series of affairs. My lord, point is, series of affairs they have registered against us. All the male members are moving here and there.
For what? FIR for what? Again, series of FIR for what?
FIR, my lord, that we are opposing, we are disturbing, creating disturbance.
That is not a
lord,
ground
in the locality.
environmental.
My lord, I am not challenging.
What are you challenging then?
My
What
lord,
are you challenging?
this is the. My lord, I am coming. This is the.
केबे आसीबे आउ केते वर्ष पर आसीबे straight come to the point. I don't like this here and there. ई बुला बंका ने street highway तो अछि violent रे कहीं जाउछंती highway रे पहुंच चालंतु.
My lord, only simple direction is necessary, my lord. That, my lord, simple direction is necessary, my lord. That we should be allowed to participate in the public hearing. We should not be harassed. We should not be harassed by
public challenge करूनु किछि participate in the public hearing के मना करछ आपण public hearing
participate ना participate ता करिवु नै participate मतलब
मना कला कि आपण participate पई public hearing पे आपण के मना अछि की मना कला
बांधी दउचंदी बरा से माने अरेस्ट करछंती
बांधी के नहीं उत्पाद बांधी नेबे ना बंगा रोजा करिवे बांधीबेनी जे उत्पाद
एटा विलेजर्स शेड्यूल ट्राइब पीपल माइला
कोन हेजी पीपल एते गप कले तारे कोन हेजी मूल कथा कहलेनी आपण कोन हेजी कोथि पई होची कोन किछि कहलेनी सीधा गपुछंती मूल कथा टू स्ट्रेट टू द पॉइंट starting from what is the project about? What key regularly you are doing environmental matter. This is the way you are arguing matter. Straight. What is the project? What the people are opposing? Tell me first. What is the project?
My lord, this is a project. My lord, the project proponent has.
The project proponent. Who is the project proponent? What is the project proponent?
Opposite party number 7, my lord. That is opposite party number 7.
कौन project opposite party number project कौन project करछे ते कोंतु
बॉक्साइट
को जगह रे कौन project कोंतु
बॉक्साइट माइनिंग they have taken the
बॉक्साइट माइनिंग कोठी को जगह रे
रायगड़ा
एबे आइले पॉइंट को एते बुले बंके स्ट्रेट पॉइंट कहबा सिखि नांती एते एनवायरनमेंट केस दिन डे इन एंड डे आउट एनजीटी दौड़ुछ एति जानि न एंदी आर्गु करछ सेठी बजे
कंडक्ट देखो
कंडक्ट पछरे आसीबो फास्ट बैकग्राउंड मु बैकग्राउंड किछि जानि नि कोर्ट को आउ बैकग्राउंड कहबे ना कंडक्ट को आगो जिबे
ठीक अछि मु कहि दोछि सेटा
व्हाट हैपेंड व्हाट इज द
conduct my lord before the public hearing
पैसा देलानी की कंपनी पैसा दे नथिबो दैट इज द कंडक्ट आ कोन असल कंडक्ट
कंपनी पैसा because they are not they
जो माने से थांती जो ए जो हमें कोन जानिनु कि सर कोन होए जो थांती चांदा फांदा मागंती न देले एंती कोर्ट को पळास
नहीं ओडा एफआईआर ओडा 8टा 8 नंबर्स ऑफ
एफआईआर हबो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लम कला एफआईआर हबो ऑब्वियसली
law and order should you not participate in the process, my lord?
Nobody is stopping you. Who can stop you? But at the same time, you don't have any. If you are very good, सुना पिला पर जाई participate करो क्यों मना करो जागिर भंगा रोजा करिवो हो हल्ला करिवो
public consultation. My lord, your lordship knows public consultation is the cornerstone of PIA process.
Oh, that everybody knows that. The PIL
it is intended to ascertain the views of the local affected people.
अरे एते कथा कहलेनी कोन पई मते आसिलनी अच्छा से प्रोजेक्ट रे कोन पई पब्लिक हियरिंग हला तो पब्लिक हियरिंग कोन पई हबो
इसी पई पब्लिक हियरिंग
ये आर्ग्यू कर
एनवायरमेंट क्लियरेंस पई
अच्छा पैथेटिक
अगेन
this is premature.
My lord, one thing.
This is premature.
My lord, one thing. May pray one thing, my lord. A simple direction your lordship may give.
I am not going to direct anything. There is no
My lord,
cause.
my lord, one
ଆପଣ
thing.
କଣ challenge କରିছে କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୋତେ first. What have you challenged here?
I am challenging.
Which document you have challenged?
My lord, I am challenging the document annexure 4, my lord. The notice of public hearing, because we are absent.
Participate କରନ୍ତୁ.
Participate.
Who is
We are
talking?
ready to participate, my lord, but they
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ,
are
କରନ୍ତୁ।
unnecessarily
ବିଜ୍ଞାପନ ତ ଦିଆହେଇଛି,
harassing
ଆପଣ
us.
ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ. The petitioner is directed to
My lord,
participate in the public hearing as advertised on 13/9/2023 by the Department of Forest and Environment, Government of Odisha. Forest and Environment and Climate Change, Government of Odisha.
State pollution control.
However, the petitioners are directed to be not to create any kind of breach of any kind of act that breaches the peace of that area, nor they are allowed to take law into their hand. Dispose of. Next.
My lord,
Item
my lord,
17.
one nahi hegala jantu. Participate to participate karibe au.
Participate karibe, we must be protected, my lord.
Aye, apna police protection degi to chhadi na.
No, police protection no. They should not be harassed, my lord.
Koi harass kai karibe se mane apna peacefully gala kai lagi de. It is also made clear that the police shall not harass or obstruct the people from participating in the public hearing. Hello?
ଏତିକି ତ ମୁଁ ମୂଳରୁ ମାଗୁଛି ଆଉ
ସେ ତ ମୂଳରୁ ସେ କଥା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି, ଏତେ କଥା ଗପିଲେ
ମୁଁ ସେ ତ ମୂଳରୁ ମାଗୁଛି।
Okay, next.
Item 17.
Appearance of Union of India.
ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କାଗଜଟା. Item?
May I please, your lords?
Item
17, my lord.
17. Yes.
On behalf of Mr. Patnaik, my lord, I will argue the matter, my lord. The husband of the petitioner, my lord, had taken a loan from the bank, Union Bank of India, my lord.
Union Bank କେତେ loan ନେଇଥିଲେ?
75 lakhs, my lord.
75 lakh. କେତେ ସୁଝିଛନ୍ତି? କେତେ ସୁଝାଇଛି?
My lord.
16 ରେ ନେଇଥିଲେ ନା?
My lord.
କେତେ ସୁଝିଛନ୍ତି ଏଯାଏ?
I have no instruction, my lord, because my lord, the husband of the petitioner, my lord.
କେତେ loan ଦେଇଛି? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ copy ଅଛି? Will give a copy and take instruction, ହେଲା?
My lord.
And also you take instruction from your client.
My lord, I am ready to, my lord, my lord.
Write down what are the amount of loan taken, when was it classified as NPA, hala? Keତେ outstanding ଆପଣ କହିବେ, ହେଲା? Then we'll see. First this information ନହେଲେ case decide ହେଇପାରେ. ଏତିକି information ଆପଣ bank case କଲେ ନିହାତି ଆଣିବେ, ହେଲା? Next. This is the matter on 7th.
Item 18.
18.
Lordship. Order dated 12/9/2023, your lordship, passed by the sub-collector disengaging the petitioner from service after she rendered service for a period of 33 years, your lordship, without showing any giving any show cause, any notice. So all of a sudden disengaged her, your lordship. At least some opportunity should be given to the petitioner to file a show cause. What is the allegation made by the villagers, so that on the basis of that she was disengaged, your lordship.
You take instruction. That comes with the state to take instruction. You take instruction, detail file kar do. Let's matter on 8th. Okay. 8th.